rest of the multiples of 2 is green.
Okay, I'm done.
If you are done, Andy, you're done.
Almost not sure.
After that, this is the next step. Color number 3, yellow. Color number 3,
Color number 3, yellow. Okay.
yes. And color the multiples of 3 to be green. Note that some of the numbers of the multiples of 3 have been already colored green. It's fine.